Wow! Yeah!
Let's all play water polo.
Let me try. It's my go. Oh no, I have missed that.
I'll show you, baby. I will throw it in the net. Oh, I missed.
That's my head.
There, baby, you're okay.
I'm sorry, Leo. Let's all dive, do 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 do. Let's all dive, do 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 do.
I can try.
Wait, baby! Wear goggles. Wear goggles. Wear your goggles.
I can try. Wow!
Let's get out. I am out. No, wait.
Oh, I fell.
Tidy up. Tidy up. Tidy up.
Sorry, Jack. I want to play in the swimming pool. Swimming pool, but I am nervous too. I don't know what to do.
You're right in the swimming pool. Don't forget your goggles too. In the Come on, Leo, this is fun. Come on, Leo, let us jump in the swimming pool.
So I am scared.
Come on, baby. I'll catch you.
Jumping in the swimming pool. Yeah, really cool. Wow!
We will dive in the swimming pool. Under the water is so cool.
But I don't know what to do.
You must be safe in the swimming pool. Swimming pool. Just hold your breath. It's what you do. Just dive in the swimming pool.
Wow!
Swimming in the pool. Swimming is so cold.
I want to swim around the pool. I don't know what to do.
First you must kick your legs, then move your arms just like this.
Swimming in the pool. Swimming is so cool. Ah!